This is James from Country Homes Power. We are installing an easy pad in place of concrete. It's about a third of the cost of concrete. Concrete can cost anywhere between 10 to 15,000. An easy pad for a shrimp spa can be about 3,000. The easy pad is good for 5,000 pounds per square foot. It displaces the weight evenly, as long as you're on a subcompacted gravel, or you can even go on grass, as long as it doesn't settle. Very durable, lasts a long time, lifetime of the spa, more or less, if not more. And also I'd like to bring up the fact that this easy pad is only good for steel structured frame swim spas. You cannot use a wood frame steel swim spa. It has to be metal. Also, the turnaround time is much faster. I can build this in approximately 45 minutes to an hour. Concrete, you got to form it, pour it, wait for it to cure. It takes about 12 days. Then you got to come back and do all the extra cutting. This easy pad, it's done. 45 minutes, put the spa on it, good to go.